Evening, doctor. My name is Yvonne. My MATRIC number is 263244. Today I will present about a topic about business ethics, which is harassment and discriminations in the workplace. Discriminations in the world of work. It is a global ethical issue. It violates a person's basic human rights. It creates huge impacts on social and economic aspects. 4 out of 10 American workers feeling discriminated at work. Cases recorded in United States are more than the Europes, because in European job markets, fewer respondents feeling discriminated at their workplace, which are 36% in Germany, 34% in United Kingdom, and only 32% in France. Gender and pregnancy discriminations in the Southeast Asia. The maternity leave provided for the new mothers after they giving birth. The highest country is the Vietnam because it provides 170 days, but our Malaysia is the lowest because it only provides 60 days. Definitions of workplace discriminations by ILO International based on the race, skin color, sex, religions, political opinions, national attractions or social origins, which had an effect on unifying or impairing equality or opportunity or treatments in employment or occupations. But these definitions have its limitations because they are exist or social characteristics. They are not always legally protected. For example, the weight. Besides that, these definitions are more on emphasis, equal opportunity, more than the interpersonal experience faced by the employees. Types of workplace discriminations. The first one is racial discriminations. It occurs when an employee feels disadvantaged due to their nationality, skin color, or ethnic origins. There are three typical forms, which is direct, indirect, and also victim restrictions. The second one is religious discriminations. Employees are treated differently because of their religious belief or practice. These may include their accommodations requests, and the employee may be treated unfairly because of their lacking of religious belief. There are three forms of this type of discriminations, which are employment decisions, harassment, and failing to accommodate religious practice reasonably. Employees face religious discriminations may also encounter immigration status, gender, or racial discriminations at the same time. Next, I will talk about sex or gender discriminations. Employees are sometimes discriminated against because of their gender and also another social characteristic such as race. Unequal salary pay are also included in this kind of discriminations. This discrimination is different from sexual harassment because it does not require sexual connotations. Another type of workplace discrimination is disability discrimination. Regulations cover the disability people vary among the country, but sometimes significantly affect from one country to another. The exposures to disability, avoidance, and discriminations have a double probability of getting psychological distress. The last one is pregnancy discriminations. It's synonymous with sex or gender discriminations because women only can experience pregnancy. There are different perspectives between males and female employers. The next one, we will go into the discussions. First one, we will see the differences between the discriminations and the harassment. The first one is the situations. Discrimination occurs when a person will not be able to prove somebody's words or actions to point out his or her bias because of a protected attribute such as races, gender, or another protected traits. Let's see about harassment. Harassment occurs when someone's words or actions make another person feel uncomfortable. It not occurs frequently, it not occurs many times, and somewhere enough serious enough to create a hostile working environment. Thus, a one-time comment or actions does not qualify as harassment. The second difference is the party that held liable or the party that held responsible when these discriminations happen. Let's look into discriminations. Only the employers will be held liable because the damages that arise result from the employers itself. How about the harassment? Harasser may be sued whether the employers should have known that harassment was occurring or not. Hence, harassment is a form of discrimination. Victims of harassment will be protected under respective discrimination law. For example, racial harassment is protected under racist discrimination laws. The next one discussion is about the effects of harassment and discriminations in the workplace. Workplace discriminations does not promote equal opportunities. Harassment persistently will create hostile working environments and this intimidate the employees. Both the discriminations and harassments will attribute to negative working experience. Then it will create physical and mental problems to the employees. So the employees are not so able to work well, so this will decrease work productivity. Hence, it is considered losses of valuable human assets for the businesses, nations, or even world. Next one, we will talk about anti-discrimination law. The law is different among countries, so it's crucial. It is important to have an international policy. The ILO, International Labour Organization, ILO, is devoted in promoting social justice and promoting globally recognized human and labor rights. To incomplete with its founding missions that enable peace is significant to prosperity. It serves its triple shares constituents, which is formations of international policies and programs. International labor standards are backed by a unique system for supervisors. A robust international technical communications program is established and incorporated through its constituents actively to help the country successfully practicing these policy communities. Then the trainings, education, and research activities are carried to enhance all these efforts. A root cause of widespread discrimination. We can see that female employers are more considerate towards pregnant employees, so the female employers they may understand the pregnant employee situation because they maybe giving birth to their children before or may experience pregnancy in the future. So actually this understanding may prevent themselves from engaging in pregnancy discrimination. Thus, the root causes of workplace discrimination may form a lack of understanding and respect. Conclusions. The employee may face different types of discriminations at once. Discrimination arises in a variety of forms, such as harassment, bullying, and victimizations at the same time. Actually, this will cause several impacts on the employees. Then these impacts ripple on exotic associated with the businesses, nations, or even worldwide. ILO have promoted international policies and progress to reduce the ethical dilemma effectively to promote human rights. Besides that, understanding and respectfulness reasonably may prevent the employers from engaging themselves in discriminatory practices. So, if the employers and also the co-workers and potential discriminators are more understanding and respect toward their employees, it might another way around happen in the workplace. Thank you for listening.